a basic video editing folder every video editor should have on their hard drive. Just download them for free, no strings attached. Stop laughing. Alright, let's do this. Today we're having fun. You see, within the last 5 to 7 years, I found myself looking for different sound effects to use in my videos. Yeah, by the way, at the time of recording this, my voice is still affected a little bit, so that's why I talk like this. Not that I don't talk funny on a daily basis anyway, but you know what I mean. And today I use a platform like Epidemic Sound, but if you're just starting out and you don't want to pay monthly subscriptions for this type of platforms, you might find yourself, you know, just typing on Google or YouTube like... I know that in the beginning you might not even know how to search for this kind of sounds, and a lot of times you don't even find what you want. The process of editing has to stop because now you gotta search for those sounds. It's not an enjoyable process to search half an hour for a swoosh or a whoosh or a who searches for a Stop laughing. And most importantly, I know that not a lot of people have a good microphone to record these kind of things. And not only I'm gonna record a lot of cool sound effects now and fine-tune them in Audacity software, which is free by the way, I think these sound effects are like a basic video editing folder every video editor should have on their hard drive. Not only that, but you're gonna find them in the description down below where you can just download them for free. No strings attached. You don't need to sign up and I'll spam you later in your inbox. None of that. Not just, you'll thank me later, okay? Actually, if you do want to thank me, just watch this video until the end. Don't just stop and download that folder and get out of here, because otherwise YouTube is gonna think you didn't get any sort of value out of this. My watch time is gonna go down and they're not gonna recommend this video to other people like you that may need these kind of sound effects. So do me a favor, please watch until the end, because you're also gonna probably have a laugh on how I'm gonna do this, and then download the folder, okay? Awesome. If you also like and subscribe, even better. Awesome. So we have 6 categories. We got impact, whoosh, whip, ring, rip, and miscellaneous, where I'm just gonna add a lot of random ones that I think are very useful, okay? So by using different kind of materials, we're gonna create some sort of impact sounds just by smashing or slightly touching each other, and you'll be the creative one and decide in what instances you want to use these sounds. I don't want to kill your creativity. You will use them whenever you see it fit. So let's start with the first one. We're just gonna take the ball and just punch it a little bit, okay? Yeah, you're laughing now, but you're gonna thank me later. What you wanna do when you grow up, Alex? I wanna be a YouTuber and smash pillows in front of cameras on the internet. Okay, now let's try punches and slaps. Cool, let's try whooshes. Whooshes, whooshes, whooshes. You want some whooshes? You want some whooshes in your video? Whoosh. You're gonna laugh, but a lot of these cool whooshes are made just by using your mouth. And I'm not a beatboxer or anything, but I'll do my best, okay? A lot of people make a career out of this. Okay, cool. Let's move to whips, and not those kind of whips. For the first one, I got 2 knives, and I hope I don't cut myself. Okay, for this one, I got my laptop charger, and I gotta stand up. Okay, let's do rings. This is more like something that has a continuous sound after the impact. So I'll get the knives again. Okay, let's do glass. Okay, let's do rips. Let me get a piece of paper. And let's do one more with a piece of cardboard. Okay, awesome. Now let's do the miscellaneous ones, the random ones. These are good for text, transitions, endings, starts. You'll get creative with them. Before I do these ones, what I want you to understand is that you are already a bit biased now because you watched this. You saw how these sounds were made. Actually, a lot of the sounds you hear in Hollywood movies are not what you may think. Sometimes when a branch of a tree breaks, someone in post breaks a carrot in front of a microphone and then you bite. You think it was a tree. I'll show you. Let's do a short exercise. Close your eyes. Close them. Stay there. I'll make a sound and you have 3 seconds to guess what it was. What do you think it was? Did you think it was this? Okay, so as I said, these are some random ones that sometimes I don't even know how to search for them. Like, I don't know what keywords I should use. Drop object on wood. Wood drop. Metal drop. Yeah. Okay, I got my kitchen towel. And this sound can be used in a lot of instances, depending what you have on camera. Blankets, kitchen towels, flags. So let's see. Pouring water into a glass, but not on top of my laptop, so let me move this. Putting an object on a piece of wood. Quick pop. Breaking wooden sticks. Had to change batteries. Random keyboard typing. Okay, I think we're done for today. My living room is a mess right now. I could obviously keep going with this kind of sounds, and if I see that this sound effect package was valuable to anyone, I'll make more in the future. I hope you'll find use of these sound effects. I certainly had a lot of fun doing them, and if you waited until the end of this video to download that folder, you're the real MVP. And if you want to help me a bit more, like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because it really does help with the algorithm. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.